Hi, myself Suraj Jadhav. Today we are talking about the multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing, and multiprocessing and multi-threading. Both are used to achieve multitasking. Uh, However, we use multi-threading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They won't allocate separate memory area, so saves memory and context switching between the threads. Uh, takes less time than process. Java multithreading is mostly used in games, animation, extra. Now we're talking about the advantages of the multithreading. Uh, First one is it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and can perform multiple operations at the same time. Second one is you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other threads if the exception occurs in the single thread multitasking. Uh, Multitasking is the process of executing the multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved into two ways: process-based multitasking, multiprocessing thread-based multitasking, multithreading. First one is the process-based multitasking. uh, each process has an address in the memory. In other words, each process allocates the separate memory area. A process is the heavyweight cost of the communications between the processes are high. Switching from one process to another acquires some time for saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating a list, etc. Second one is a thread-based multitasking. Multitasking means multi-threading. Threads shares the same address space. A thread is a lightweight cost of communication between the thread is low. At least one process is required for each thread. Now we're talking about what is thread in Java. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent. If there occur exception in thread, it doesn't affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. There is a content switching between the threads. There can be processes based inside the OS, and the one process can have multiple threads. Java provides the threads class to achieve threads programming. The thread class provides the constructor and method to create and perform the operations on the thread. Thread class extend object class and implement runnable interfaces. Java thread methods. What start? It is to start the execution of the thread. Second one is a void run. It is used to do an action for the thread. Third one is a static void sleep. It sleep thread for the specified amount of the time. Fourth one is static thread current thread. It returns the sequence of the currently executing the thread object. Five one is the word join. It's wait for the thread to die. It get priority. It return the priority of the thread. Word set. It changes the priority of the thread. It string name. It return the name of the string thread, name of the thread. Word set. It changes the name of the thread. Log it return the ID of the thread. Then word boolean is alive. It states the thread is alive. Static word yield. It causes the currently executing the thread object to pause and allow other threads to execute the template. This is the multi-threading in Java. Thank you so much.